guys, we're going for new adventure.
Look up.
And we came today to the cable cars. Whee! Let's see new experience. It's near the O2 Arena. You get the car park nearby. O2 calls car park number 3. So your journey starts from the Greenwich. They don't need man. Okay, you start your kids. So you start your destination from the Greenwich station. Everybody come. So tickets to the cable car cost £12 each way. So to return, you need to buy. Sorry, no, it's £12 return. Return. Yeah, in your Apple Wallet, just do this. Yeah.
This one, yeah?
Yeah. Boarding. What? No, there is no queue, sorry. If you have a tickets in advance, you don't queue. You just come straight into the... And we start our journey. Hey!
Chiku! You want to stand up?
Wait,
Give daddy.
doors
Give
open.
daddy. Give daddy. It's good. It's just you can sit with your family here.
Yes. Oh, you can see the old city. Wow, Daniel. The cabins are moving very quickly. Wait, Jesus, I nearly fall, and it's windy. So you can see the London views.
What is these pictures, man? Oh my goodness.
Yachta. So you can see London views, O2, Canary Wharf. Very interesting. And small cabin. You feel nice and cozy with your family. Daniel with the bunny ears. Nice. Oh, you can see the metro underground. It's okay, catch Daniel. because we need to get down now. That's it, we get down. Now we're gonna get explore what is on this side of the river. Wow, very beautiful. Hi Daniel. Where you come on the come out. From the Greenwich, you come to the Royal Docks. You can have some food over there or just have some nice views and walk near the river. Have some art, some beautiful places here, and Daniel here. Footballer. Sorry, Alian is basketballer. Ball, yeah, thank you, nice ball. You like balls? Yeah. That's river. Daniel likes exploring. Same like his parents. Some food courts, pubs, coffee stations, hotel, restaurant, ice cream van. Daniel, let's go. Put him. We walk, and we came to something. Excel London. Yacht hotel. Okay, so we understood this something is to do with the, oh my god, how many people? Oh, you dropped the sausages. So this is something to do with the...
He's mad, I dropped his sausage.
Explain it. It's something to do with the Disney. Let's see if it's free. Oh my god, Pokemon Championship. This is about the Pokemon. Alian would love this. Formula One. Yeah, they got the Europe International Pokemon Championship. So we don't know what is there. I think you need to have something for the entrance. Now is the way back. Got hungry, it's very windy. So when you get down, you can make some memories with the picture in the cable car. Some ball, notebook, keyring, snowballs, magnet. We choose one magnet, and here is some souvenirs as well, some key rings of the London Underground, cups, some cafe, and Teddy workshop. So we got this kind of magnet, and they gave us a picture as well. And now from the cable car, same very closely you can get to the O2 Arena, which have some shops, restaurants, food court, and obviously if there is some entertainment, that's as well, you can come here. Now we're going to have some food inside the O2 Arena. Here you get some view to the Canary Wharf. There is the station and main entrance to the O2. So that's the O2 Arena inside. That's the main entrance for events. Up over there is the outlets, but it's closed now as it's Sunday, so this side is food courts. You can find any food which you like. Italian, Indian, Spanish, Mexican, British, European. So any food which you fancy. Some Chinese as well, Korean, many different food courts. But we choose this one, JIMMYS World's Grill Bar. So we came to the restaurant, it was fully packed, so it was impossible to record something over there. So I will show you around. We came, Daniel is ready to eat. That's some drink menu, and here is buffet style. That's our starters. So let's go, I will gonna show you around. This is a buffet style restaurant with the different styles and kind of food, from the curries till sushi, still some starters, and different variety of the Mexican, Italian, Chinese, Indian foods. You have different choice of vegetables and salads, hummus, pastas, pizzas, steaks. You can find some Korean food, like make some tacos for yourself and choice. Same as some Chinese curries and other kind of food, which you will see further in the video. And as all buffet style restaurants, of course, you have the place for the desserts, where you can choose anything you would like to have for this dinner. You can find a bar here with a lot of choice of different cocktails. And the main interesting thing is this in this restaurant is that you can see the open plan kitchen where you can come order some steak, wok or some naan bread of your choice. So this was our experience in this restaurant. I would definitely return here as it was amazing. And the price was like around £23 per person, which is quite good price for this kind of place. Thank you. And on this our day is finished and we're getting our way home. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Bye.